What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are again on Shopify, and in this one I'm gonna show you how to request a collaborator's access on Shopify, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So let's start. So first of all, how to require a collaborator request code for access. So when you require a collaborator request code, a freelancer or agency needs to enter the correct code to send you a request for access to your store. You need to share the code with a freelancer or agency so that they can send a request. To activate the code from your store's user and permission settings, select only people with collaborator request code can request access in the collaborators section. Collaborator request codes are 4-digit codes that are automatically generated when you activate the requirement, and you can expire the code and generate a new one at any time. And as you can see, you need to log into your Shopify admin dashboard, navigate to settings section, click on the collaborations in the left hand menu, select invite collaborator. That's if you are sending a collaborator request in Shopify. And also we are having you can log into admin panel, go to settings tab from the left menu, select the users and permission options, and move to collaborator section and give the permission. So basically that's it for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.